Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to calculate average of percentages. Here we have a data set of a different age groups where participants have given their preferences to sports for a different age group. If we calculate a simple average of this percentages, this is what we get 1%. But this is not the correct way to calculate the average of percentages. To calculate that, first we'll have to calculate the actual preferences. To do that, we'll multiply participants by reference in percentage. Then we'll get the actual preferences. We'll drag this formula down, and the next step is to sum this actual preferences and sum the total participants. Now we have the actual preferences, that is 4887, and the total participants 7917. And to calculate the percentage average, to calculate the average percentage, we'll have to use the simple percentage formula. We'll divide the value by the total participants, and here we have the percentage, that is 62%, and this is the correct way.